sir.
I don't come out with no money, Reggie. You can't send my full pocket.
Own it, sir.
Own it like you have to just take a hard life easy. That's the thing there.
John, no, sir.
Not even the clocks, them and them things them couldn't buy.
Allah, you don't bring back nothing.
Not even nothing.
Allah, that's a go on, sir.
Oh, the Reggie, I swear.
So the money them when you go up there with couldn't hold them thing there.
I'm not gonna go up with no money. A little bit of money by the time I stay so and reach up there and spend a little bit and nothing left for shop.
Allah, yeah, that go on.
That gone. See, if not you walk with the money bag today. That's it.
I need a man carry your bag with
All
the
the
money
time with the money in. I don't even have no money for going that bag again.
So you come check me when you own it, or you come check me with a Reggie all this time. I don't tell you next week for me there, I own it.
So I can't come check if I have money and that's it.
Tomorrow, Saturday, the day about that, me alone over there to sit down Sunday.
So I can't check if I have money.
Tuesday, Wednesday comes and that's the important day.
Can't check if I have money.
No, sir, me not say
John, no, I think we're the friends. I think we're bona fide.
Yeah,
and
yeah.
The money.
No.
Dollar about the dollar.
No, sir.
No money, no, Reggie. That's what I think that.
No, man.
I buy me have to buy your friendship.
No, sir.
Ah, yeah, brother. It looks like I buy me have to buy your friendship.
No, a dog with a dog. Dog with a dog. So what you have to say? Not even 2 or 3 grand.
Nothing about.
Nothing about.
Nothing about.
Then suppose Reggie get 2 grand, sir. How you would have it?
If you'll give me 2 grand,
Yeah.
I would be joyful. But I just buy some gas with it.
Can't buy gas. So
Yeah.
me say 3, you give them uptown and buy the gas.
Yeah, but if I own them, I have to buy 2 grand gas.
So 2 grand gas can't go in at that.
Yeah. So you give me 2 grand?
Me no know if you serious or not now.
I'm serious, man. Go feed and cup.
You serious?
Serious.
You don't want it to buy gas?
Yeah.
Cause you're going out like wounded.
But I buy some gas, man. When something go, I just return it and return it stronger. I'm serious.
You don't want it now?
Yeah.
That's when you have something, you can't give me something reasonable for it.
Yeah.
So, sir, when you come there, I go down to the place. When you go circle back here, sir, me now go see you next week.
No, you give me 2 grand?
Yeah, man, me I go in my house, see, but me I say, when you go see you back, when school is open.
The 2 grand, I forgot the doctor.
No, man.
So yeah, man, you're going to see me back so by next weekend.
Next weekend?
Yeah.
By next weekend, I will see you.
Yeah.
So, what you say?
If you're serious, I want the 2 grand to buy a little gas.
No?
No.
Ah.
You deal with it?
Yeah, man.
Alright. I don't want to pay you about the feet.
No, man, you come link, man. I guess now you talk about it. That's an expensive shopping.
So you have a 2 grand?
Sir, they are wounded. They will let something with sir. Until sir see me again and give back something.
Or else I go on my general.
I can't believe that sir come back and say I'm wounded.
So you really go for your 2 grand?
Yeah, well, that's a year one, sir.
Or else I buy some gas for the X?
Yeah, buy what you want, buy with that.
You know, say a general, enough people wouldn't, them see somebody come from foreign, they wouldn't want to look for give them a thing. And you,
No.
as a general, go for your last 2 grand and go and give me. It means that you're genuine. And I respect you for that. You see it, Reggie?
Yeah.
We are real Reggie. I respect you for that. Respect you for that. All the 2 grand, man. I joke me that make. Everything good, man.
Yeah,
You know, say everything good.
Yes, sir.
And because you do that, let me see if I can find a thing for you. Because we have to give you a thing for that.
I owned it, but so it does a gas money.
You still have to give it. Alright, because
Can't believe what you tell me, sir. And you say you come back here
wounded. And you can't make her wounded, no.
Can't make you wounded and go it, sir.
So you go for your last 2 grand, come give me. Alright, so because you do that, now stay so, all this, it's a 5 grand, this a new one, shitty job.
Wait, sir.
It's a new 5 grand that. Because you did not willing to give me a last 2 grand, I have to give you the 5 grand there. I forgive you.
Yeah.
All that and put that in your pocket and strengthen up your pocket.
Yes, sir.
Because you're the general.
Yes, sir.
Nothing can come between the friendship here. You see, at me touch down, and you're one of the first person to see me. Reggie down your name, is it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, man, the last time I drop into the place, I have to come circle you today.
Yeah, respect again, sir.
Yeah, man. When you hear something come here wounded, what you say? Sad.
Mr. Ma, change of his son. Got me out of sir. Come from so far and drop here so wounded. I have to touch him with something called gas there and him live far before him go away.
Alright, my boss.
But I can't me, sir.
A kindness sitting here, man.
How long me know him there, virgin, sir.
Well, so I don't have to test you like that. I want to test to see if the friendship real. I don't need to test the friendship, because the friendship you have validated real.
It's real, sir.
Authentic friendship. You see it? One sir, one Reggie. Alright, my general. So go and big up yourself. Me the back in the place.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, move here in September, them time there.
Alright, where the point? You want to circle a beach or them thing there? Before someone does. We can touch road, you know. Like a beach flex. Where the point?
Yeah, Rainbow. No, sir.
You see some sexy girl in a bikini on the beach and them thing there.
Me on the beach, go up on them there, them have to put that out in my get certain thing.
Every time I go